Okay, my friends, we're making today homemade fried rice. Yep, homemade fried rice. You had it right. Yep, just like in the restaurants. Here we go. Two eggs, two large eggs, pre-cooked white rice. We have chicken here, chicken thighs. We have ham, cube ham, onions, and some lettuce there. And those are the basic ingredients. But I also use some shrimps here. If you don't like the shrimps, you can leave them out. But I like them, so I'm gonna add some here. I'm gonna leave three of them just for garnishing on the top. The rest I'm gonna chop them up in small pieces. And let's start beating our eggs here. This is just a simple egg beating here. You're gonna use about one egg per person. The serving that I'm making today is for two people, so I'm using two eggs. So we're just gonna go around and beat our eggs here. Remember, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends and family and all your contacts. So once we get that egg, we take it out of the way, and we're gonna start using our saucepans here. We're gonna put a little bit more oil here. Yep, a little bit more oil, and we're gonna add the shrimp first. So medium heat here. Yeah, we put them in medium, and we're gonna add our shrimp first. I wanna just pre-cook these shrimps, and then I'm gonna take them off the fire here and put them aside, and we're gonna re-add them at the end. But all I wanna do here is I'm gonna add some salt and pepper first. All I wanna look for here is a nice color on both sides of the big ones. And once you get that nice color, they're ready to go. Don't overcook your shrimp because they're gonna get so chewy. So do not overcook your shrimps. Just until they get that nice color. It should take only about 1 to 2 minutes per side maximum. 1 to 2 minutes. Once you get to that beautiful color on one side, we're gonna flip our shrimps here. Whoops, this one doesn't wanna help. There you go. And these small pieces, actually, I'm gonna check them out now because I think they're gonna overcook before the others do. So I don't wanna overcook my shrimp. So once they get that beautiful color, they're ready. Remember, hey, believe me, they are ready, and they are so good and fluffy. So we're gonna make sure we get the same color on both sides of our shrimps here. Yeah, just keep it moving around so they don't stick to the pan. And once they're ready like that, that's a beautiful color. We're just gonna take them out and put them aside with the others. And we're gonna add them again at the end of this process. So once we take the shrimps out of there, if you need more oil, you can put more oil. If not, just go with the oil you still have in your saucepan there. We're gonna cook the chicken now. So again, a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little bit, because once we add the soy sauce at the end, it's gonna be a little salty. So just keep it simple. Don't over season your chicken or your shrimps because you're gonna get more flavor at the end anyway. So you keep moving the chicken here. I'm using chicken thighs, and just like I did with the shrimp, I'm gonna chop these a little smaller chunks. So using my spatula here, I'm gonna bang it until it actually cuts in little pieces there, because this is fried rice and all you want there is small pieces, not a lot. We're gonna add the ham at this point. I cube the ham really small here, but you can use bigger cubes or different type of ham. I just like it this way. And we're just gonna move it around. The ham is already cooked, so all you have to do is give it a little bit more flavor. We're gonna add the scallions here, the green onions, and we're gonna add the regular onions. If you don't like any of these ingredients, you'll leave them out, but this is the basic fried rice recipe, and you can customize it any way you want. So you keep moving all these ingredients until you get that beautiful color you're looking for. This should take only about a minute or so. Let it get all warm and fuzzy there, and you'll get all these. You can smell this flavor, and we can put them aside. Put these aside now. Yep, and we're gonna go with the rest of the ingredients. So you put those aside, and now we're gonna go cook our eggs here. So a little bit more oil. Let me get my oil. A little bit more oil here, and we're gonna go with the eggs that we had before. Remember, one egg per person. Pretty much that's a rough calculation. You can use more if you like more, but remember, this is gonna be like scrambled eggs. So we're gonna We're gonna break it in little pieces. You notice that I did not put any salt and pepper because there's gonna be a lot of flavor already in the rice. So you're really neat. But if you want, you can add salt and pepper at this point. That's up to you. Same thing I did with the chicken. I'm gonna make sure this is, chopped in small pieces. So you keep moving it around. I lower the fire now to medium low, so I don't burn my egg here. And you see the little pieces now. That's what I'm looking for. That's what they do with the Chinese or any fried rice in restaurants. Now I'm gonna add the pre-cooked white rice here. You gotta use pre-cooked, and it's better. It's actually in the fridge because it doesn't get soggy like that. So if you do this the night before, put them in the fridge and use it the next day. So you break up the big lumps like that, and again, once it heats up, it's gonna be a lot easier to break those big lumps. And you just gonna, this is my tattoo in case people say that it's not me cooking. So once you mix it all like that, that's what you're looking for. You're gonna now add the soy sauce. The soy sauce is gonna give you that salty flavor and also a lot of color. That's gonna give you the brown color. So how much sauce? That's gonna depend on how much color you want and how much saltiness you want. So you start with a little bit, and if you need to add more later, you can add more later. But once you add too much, then you cannot back it up. So I think that's the right amount of soy sauce. You just make sure that all the white rice is incorporated and it gets a little bit of that sauce. You see, that's the color that I was looking for. So I'm really pleased with that one. And now I'm gonna bring the rest of the ingredients except for the shrimps at this point. So this is the chicken and the ham and the scallions and the onions. Now I'm gonna incorporate all these, and just like they do in the restaurant, you're gonna keep moving these. You probably use a bigger saucepan, so you have a lot more room to move your rice around without risking rice coming off your saucepan and just going all over your stove. But that's once you get to that point, that's the color that I'm looking for. I'm glad that I got this color. Now we can add the shrimps at this point. We're almost there. Almost there. There's just one more step. Once you add the shrimps, the last step will be to add the lettuce. But now, same thing. You gotta make sure that the shrimps are all over the rice. So you keep moving them and move those shrimps around. So every part of the rice has a little bit of the small pieces of shrimp, and then the 3 big shrimps, they stay on top. There you go. So now it's all nice and dandy. Look at that, how beautiful that looks. And now we take off the fire. Yeah, turn off the fire, and we're gonna add the lettuce, which is the last step. Look how beautiful those shrimps look. Look at how shiny they are. Whew, beautiful. Now we're gonna add the lettuce here. You don't want to overcook the lettuce because it's gonna get so soggy. So just make sure you put it there, move it around, and this is just for color. Look how beautiful that green color looks in between all these other colors: the yellow from the egg, the brown from the rice, the shrimps with the orange color. This is ready. This is absolutely ready, and we made it real home, step by step. Homemade fried rice. There you go. Let's go plate it. Look at how beautiful these things look on a plate. Woo, this makes me hungry, and of course we had to taste it. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Homemade fried rice. What can I tell you? You'll see me next time. So I'll see you next time. And remember, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends and family. Until the next one.